To karaoke on Spotify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Spotify. And once you do that, let's click on the search icon at the bottom and search for karaoke. Then, just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose random results right here. So let's, for example, play a song from these ones right here, just a random one. Okay, now that we have the song playing, what you need to do is you need to scroll down till you find this lyrics section, click this expand icon here, and what you will have right now is you will have all of the lyrics. When you play the song, they will be synchronized with the singing, and you can actually just follow along as the song sings, and you can sing with it. And that's like the only way that you can do karaoke on Spotify as of right now, so you might as well just use it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can karaoke on Spotify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.